So here's a quick overview how to find BrandConnect on YouTube Studio mobile app. So yep, it's also on YouTube Studio mobile app. So this is a new feature. I think YouTube gave me access to it a bit earlier than a lot of creators. I don't know why, but I was just kind of part of this beta program for BrandConnect. And the idea behind it is really, really smart, really amazing. However, it doesn't really that work well for me, but like if you just go to Earn tab on YouTube Studio app, so this is not YouTube mobile app, this is YouTube Studio. This is a separate app, as you probably know, so I'll just show you. So I'm talking about this app, YouTube Studio. So that one, not YouTube. And then here in Earn tab, there is a new tab called BrandConnect. That's how you can earn some additional revenue. So it's not possible to set up BrandConnect from mobile. You need to set up your BrandConnect from your desktop browser. From like your YouTube Studio on a desktop. But then you can just browse the offers from your YouTube Studio mobile app. And then if you enabled it and signed the agreement on the desktop, then you will see it here. Then you will be able to manage campaigns. And here, you can see if you have any offers. Hang tight while we find the right brands for your unique channel. And then you can see some overview. What is BrandConnect? BrandConnect is a new one-stop shop where top brands can reach out to you directly in YouTube Studio to collaborate on their upcoming campaigns. How does it work? Brands are able to reach their target audience by working with creators like you on marketing campaigns. We look at your subscriber count, content type, your demographics to match you with relevant brands that resonate with your audience. Once you get an offer in YouTube Studio, the choice is yours to show interest and negotiate a deal. So yeah, basically, I think it's a really cool idea. So, if you have a big channel, let's say you have 1,000,000 subscribers, and, you have few types of revenue. You have revenue, so you have few types of ads, like you can earn like affiliate revenue, but also like the big chunk of revenue for large YouTubers is these brand deals. Like, if you have, millions of subscribers, maybe even more than 100,000, then you can start reaching out to brands and, negotiate some little promo ad or like little clip. And that's where a lot of revenue can come in. Sometimes much more than YouTube monetization in special cases, but you need to do this work yourself. Or very often YouTubers just hire some agencies, brand agencies, ad agencies to basically create like a slide deck of their audience, and then you need to do a cold email outreach to all these brands and ask them, hey, this is my audience. If you want to advertise your product to my audience, this would be the price. This is and then you will just add all this, all this like ad metrics, you just need to know that I'm not that deep in that, like a cost per 1,000 views, like how many, like what's your average viewership per each video, all of that. And as you can see, it's already getting quite complicated. So you need to hire an agency usually for that. But here YouTube is replacing this agency. So BrandConnect is just basically the feature from YouTube, and it just does a few things. Like, first of all, you can really create a nice slide deck overview, one-page overview of your audience just from this feature, and then just download it, and then that's it. You can reach out yourself. But then also, if you sign the agreements and terms and conditions, basically you enter this kind of marketplace of deals of brands on YouTube, and then like your audience, your stats are out there in their marketplace. And basically you can, you're just kind of on the market. And then some brands might reach out to you. So then you can also set a price, and then you can just set a price from here, and then you can also get paid. And then you can see, you can see all the money you made with BrandConnect and how it works. So this is a new feature. So that's it's like a self-service platform that connects creators with opportunities for branded content campaigns. Brands can use proprietary influencer dashboard to execute their branded content campaigns and identify creators to work with. So here you see the eligibility requirements: be at least 18 years old, based in United States or India. You need to be in YouTube partner program already, no active community guidelines strikes. Then you also need to follow monetizations, and then you can turn on that. So it's pretty cool. So give a try to that. So here you just have that, and again, like from YouTube Studio app, it's quite convenient. You can just see your current offers, but you can't do much here. So you still need to set up and accept this program just from your desktop computer, and that should work. So hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching.